Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your friends list on Snapchat. So let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. Here, scroll down and find the My Friends section. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can scroll through and see the complete list of all your friends on Snapchat. And that's it. This is how you can see your friends list on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.